What's up, online shoppers? I was gifted this absolutely gorgeous carbon steel wok by the company called Yosukata, and I am really excited to open it up. Now, be forewarned, it's going to require seasoning, and I won't be doing that in this video, but I will go through how to season it in another video. So let's open this up and see what this is going to be. Now, I happen to have a husband who loves to cook Chinese food, and he is ridiculously excited about this carbon steel wok. So this one here has a couple really cool special features, including the fact that it is rivet free, so there are no rivets that are going to loosen up. The way that the handle is secured is actually with screws, so this is super sturdy and it's not going to wiggle out or have the wood shrink and things get loose. Now, another really cool thing about it is, look at this. It has a flat bottom. Traditionally, woks have that curved bottom to them, but most stoves today don't have the proper burner for that. So this is a really great adjustment that's going to allow your wok to sit on the flat surface of your stove, and that's pretty cool. I love that it has a really nice handle right here, and it does have a really nice heft to it. Now, I know my way around a kitchen, and I am super excited to use this wok, but I'm probably gonna have to fight my husband for it. Inside this bag, you also get an owner's manual to go over a few things, like the detailed instructions on how to season this. So this wok does come with a pre-seasoned treatment on it, but you're going to want to put your own specialized treatment on it afterwards. And that's going to involve giving it a really good scrub with detergent and a non-abrasive scrub pad, and then seasoning it with a high heat oil. Do not make the mistake of using olive oil. Now let's talk about the great features of this. For one, these kind of woks are great for Chinese and other Asian cuisine. They are definitely built for flipping and moving things around and stirring them to get all of the ingredients to just like grab at each other and get great flavor. It does come pre-seasoned to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, but you're going to want to put your own seasoning on it with a high heat oil like sunflower oil or grapeseed oil. Definitely stay away from olive oil because that does not have a very high smoking point, and it will certainly make a disaster in your wok and in your kitchen. The construction of this is high heat, heavy duty black carbon steel. It has a really comfortable handle, and this is going to be a super versatile pan in your kitchen to fry an egg, to stir fry, or to create nice little soups. You've definitely got options to use this on the flat of your stove and enjoy all the different possibilities that this wok will open for you. It has really nice, easy storage. I love that it's got this here. I have a place that I'm gonna hook it with a carabiner so that it doesn't take up a lot of cupboard space in my kitchen, but I also like how nice and sturdy the handle is. Now, as I said before, it has some heft to it, so I appreciate the fact that it's a nice, thick, sturdy wooden handle that makes it easy to maneuver and operate. Now, this is not something that goes in a dishwasher. It's going to be a hand wash only item, and you're not going to want to use super abrasive cleaners on this, so no metal scrub pads. A great tip is to actually use salt while you are scrubbing, because the salt will act as an abrasive and help remove any stuck on food. The weight of this is 3.6 pounds. It can hold 0.44 of a gallon capacity. I am absolutely impressed with the quality of this wok. I can't wait to put it into action. I am certain that this is going to be a family favorite at my house.